Welcome back to How to University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more creatives to the How to University channel. So in this video today, we're going to teach you how to recover a project that you might have accidentally deleted. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to canva.com, and let's say for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and delete this particular project here. So we're going to hit the three dots at the top right, move to trash, and now we're in a pickle because we don't know where our project just went. Nothing to fear. All you're going to do is head up to the top where it says Canva on the top left. There's a little hamburger patty that says show menu. And what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and go down all the way to the bottom where it says trash. Now that you've clicked on trash, all of your accidentally or purposely deleted projects will show up here. And it's simple to bring it back to the project window. So all you're going to do is hover over the item that you want, hit the three dots, and hit restore. And now we're going to go ahead and hit home, and you should see that as your first and most recent project. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and let me know in the comments section what other things you'd like to learn here on Canva. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.